One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make before listing their home is spending money before talking to a real estate professional. Hi, I'm Robert Lee with the Robert Lee Real Estate Group. I often see sellers invest thousands of dollars in repairs or remodeling projects that simply don't add enough value to justify the cost. Before you spend a dime, have a real estate professional walk through your home and help you determine which improvements will actually make a difference. Sometimes it's as simple as decluttering, fresh paint, and improving curb appeal instead of taking on a major renovation. A little planning can save you money, reduce stress, and help you maximize your profit when it's time to sell. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more home buying and selling tips. And if you're thinking about selling your home in California's Central Valley or Central Coast, I'd be happy to help. Click on the next video to continue your home selling journey.